Have you played Kakuro? We're going to learn how to play it. Kakkuro is like a crossword puzzle with numbers. Let's learn to play it. This is considered a super simple 4x4 version. And essentially what you're doing here is you're looking at every number, either the number on a left side or above, and to the right of it or below it need to total that number. You can't repeat a number, so this, for example, cannot be 7 plus 7. Let's play it. We're going to start from the back, work backwards. So here's a 4. So something plus something has to equal 4. I would say it would be 3 plus 1. And since this has to total 3, I can't put a 3 there, so that must be a 1, and that must be a 3. And then if this is to total 3, since there's a 3 here, that must be a 2. And I see here that this says 6, so 3 plus something equals 6. Well, that must be a 3 plus 2 and a 1, and since a 2 can't be here because it would be the same one, this must be a 1, and that must be a 2. So then since this is 1, 2, and well, that means 9 plus 2 plus 1 is 12, so that must be a 9. So now let's look here, 18. Something plus 2 equals 18. Well, it can't be an 8 or an 8 because you can't have that in the same row. So let's try putting a 7 and a 9, and that would mean that 9 plus 7 is 16, and you would need another 8 to get to 24. And this is 9 plus what would need to get us to 14? Well, the answer is 5. And 8 plus what would need to get us to 13? Well, the answer is 5. So that worked. You put the 5 in, you hit check. You've successfully solved this puzzle. These puzzles get more and more difficult as it goes along. And to just give you an idea of what the most challenging puzzles can look like, take a look at this 9 by 17. It's quite a challenge. I challenge you to try this yourself. I put a link in the description as to where you can find it.